What's going on, guys? It's Jordan back today with another video. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at Ethereum, which is getting an absolutely massive move alongside all of the other crypto market, right? So if that sounds good to you guys, let's not waste any time and jump right on in to the video. As we jump right on in to the weekly chart of Ethereum, as you guys can see, we just got a massive green dildo to the upside, guys. We're up almost 10% on the day as of me making this video, and I don't think we're done, right? I mean, the oscillators are getting a little crazy, but I don't think we're absolutely done going up to the upside, right? On the weekly chart, we don't really even have major resistance until that like $800 mark. You can see why this $800 mark is so important, because this was our major resistance back here in 2018, and also our support back here in 2018 as well. So this is the next major resistance, at least on the weekly chart. So in the longer time frames, we have room to run before we really hit that overhead resistance. Our 20-week moving average, is at about $450 right now. So if we did get a pullback, that is our absolute bottom, in my opinion, because we are truly on a bull market, as seen by Bitcoin breaking its all-time high with absolute authority today. Just an exciting day. You guys can see my energy today. Just an exciting day for crypto, for all the naysayers that are out there saying that we'd never see 20K again. Everyone that bought at 20K is ridiculous. We're seeing all those guys eat their words today. And if you guys take some profits, if you can, this thing can go down pretty fast, but I don't think it will, right? We're seeing new institutional money come into the market, and it's an absolute just exciting time. So pardon me if I'm a little giddy today. Just a really exciting, plus 10% on the crypto market day today. So a lot of people making a lot of money out there today. So just a quick look at the weekly chart. So let's jump on into the second chart here. So we looked at this in the last Ethereum video that I talked about, but last time Bitcoin tested its all-time high, which today it passed it, so we're a little bit past that, but last time Bitcoin was testing its all-time high was January 4th of 2017. Now, let's look at what Ethereum did on that date, right? That was the real start to the absolute parabolic bull market for Ethereum over the next year plus, right? That January 4th, 2017 mark is when we really started to get parabolic. So when Bitcoin was kind of consolidating, we looked at this last time, guys, but when Bitcoin was kind of consolidating for about 4 months, going sideways here, Ethereum for 4 months, on the other hand, if we look at this, was doing this price action while Bitcoin was going sideways at its all-time high. It's very possible that we're following this here, where we did come up and retest, got a little bit of a pullback, came up, actually went above the last all-time high by a decent amount, and then actually came back and fell down below it. So it is possible we could see that with Bitcoin here, as Bitcoin, like you guys see here, tested its all-time high, came back down, and then it went back up, and now we're above it. It is still possible that we come back down below it. So don't rule that out, guys, because it did happen back in 2017. But just wanted to illustrate when Bitcoin was around its all-time high for about 4 months. That's when Ethereum really started to get parabolic. So we could start seeing absolutely huge moves for Ethereum and pretty much all altcoins in the market coming up very, very soon. And that's just one of the things that makes me so bullish on Ethereum for the next couple months, and why I have a good portion of my portfolio, not most, right? Most of it is always in Bitcoin, just the safest option for me, but a good majority of my money is in Ethereum. You can't go wrong with Ethereum, right? This is another reason here. We look at the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio, guys. Ethereum is bottoming out on that ratio based on this upwards channel. You guys can see, we talked about this last time too, but we've gotten multiple touches on the top here, and multiple touches on the bottom here. And now we're coming back down to retest it again. I want to see us hold here, and if it does hold, you guys can see how much room we have to run here to the top of this channel, right? We have so much room to run. It looks like every time we come and test the bottom of this, we get a good size pump up to the upside. You guys can see one here, and one here. So big moves could be coming for Ethereum within the next few weeks. We got to continue to see what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin continues hovering around its all-time high, we have to go with the assumption that Ethereum is going to do basically the same thing that it did last time, and kind of just absolutely take off. You guys can see it went from $9 to $50, almost a 5x in about 4 months. We could be seeing something crazy like that because we are seeing altcoins kind of lag behind Bitcoin a little bit. Bitcoin's passing its all-time high, while a lot of its altcoins aren't even at 50% of their value right now. So altcoins still a huge opportunity in those. I think once the normies start coming in and see, Bitcoin's already passed its all-time high, let me buy this coin that theoretically costs less, right? Just by the price, right? People think, Ethereum only costs me 600. Bitcoin cost me 21,000, so I think it's a better value to buy Ethereum. That's what people think psychologically. Might not be correct, but that's going to bring a lot of money into the altcoins. When Bitcoin kind of brings in the new buyers, right, and kind of gets them exposed to cryptocurrency almost, and then we see a lot of that money flow into altcoins because they psychologically think it's just a better buy because it's a low price. So that's why I think coins like Stellar Lumens, XRP, while a lot of people don't like those coins because they have such a low, value almost, 60 cents, around there for XRP, a low price for XLM. You're going to see a lot of those coins really go up because of their low typical value at below $1, right? So right now, Bitcoin's leading the market. I am looking for altcoins to start making their move based on the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio. It is possible that we could break this, right? If we do break that, we could be seeing a little bit, Bitcoin gaining on Ethereum, obviously. But I think we're going to hold this here, probably another day or two, maybe of Bitcoin popping off and Ethereum kind of lagging behind. And then we're going to see Ethereum start making its big move very, very soon once we kind of retest the bottom of this. It also is possible we wick below it as seen here, guys. And as seen down here, we can wick below it temporarily, but I don't think we get a weekly close below this trend line here. So that's just a quick video on Ethereum today, guys. And I just wanted to spend the end of this video kind of talking about, being safe with your investments, right? Taking profits when we get to these all-time highs, right? So let's fast forward to March, right? When the craziness was happening, we dropped down to $3,000. We fast forward 9 months. Who would have thought that we'd be above the all-time high, right? I bet if anyone in the world had to bet their life savings that we would be above all-time high right now, right, at the end of 2020, when we've had an absolutely crazy year. All of us have been through so much. We never gave up. We kept accumulating. For all you guys out there who accumulated this whole year, despite the craziness that happened, this is a huge congratulations. But we don't make money until we take those profits. So if you guys are happy with the money you've made, don't be afraid to take 5% off the table, right? Put that back in savings, wait for a dip, right? Don't be afraid to take profits when you can. What I don't want to see, guys, is this thing to move up over 2021 to 100K plus. You guys take no profits, and then it dumps. Get this, and this thing dumps quick. So I wanted to go over that here because if we go over to the Bitcoin chart here, let's just look at how fast this thing can go down, right? So I want you guys to make sure you guys take profits when you can. Let's see, it went up to 20K, and the next month it went all the way down to 9K. So this thing can lose over half its value in less than a month, right? So make sure you guys are setting, your goals. Take 5% profit at 30K, 5% profit at 40K, 50K, 60K, all the way up until what your high goal is. It doesn't have to be every 10,000. It can be like every percentage gain you take off 5% or 1% or however you guys want to do it. I have a plan. I'm going to stick to my plan, not to get too greedy, right? You don't want to get too greedy in this market. So just kind of me rambling on at the end of this video, but I think it's very important advice for you guys to make sure you guys are taking profits when you can and not getting too greedy out there. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Guys, if you haven't already, go, I keep saying subscribe, right? I'm just so excited today about the crypto markets, but go follow my Twitter. I linked it down on the pinned comment in the comment section. It's also in the description. Go follow that Twitter. You guys have been killing it with the follows over there. And also subscribe if you haven't already. Come out with either 1 or 2 videos every single day for you guys on this channel. So smack that subscribe button if you guys like altcoin and Bitcoin videos alike. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.